Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in WordPress. Welcome to my channel. I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and of course, the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, step one, log into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is my WordPress dashboard. Head over to plugins, add new. All right, so on the search bar to your right, type the plugin you are looking to install. I'm going to search for Yoast SEO. Okay, all right, that's it. So that's Yoast SEO. Click on install now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then click again to activate the installed plugin. All right, so it has been activated, and that's that. All right, let me know, was this process easy or hard? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you.